18.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS PCSO, Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office.
Nescafe sugar-free. Huwag na magpigil.
Misis, gusto mo ng flower garden sa loob ng bahay? Ibabad lang ang iyong labada sa Charm Fabric Conditioner.
Kabloom!
Ang Charm Fabcon ay may 3 flowery scents na mapagpipilian. Blue All Day Fresh, Pink Peony Fantasy at Red Berries and Blossoms.
Kabloom!
Subukan na ang Charm Fabcon. Bangong
Kabloom!
Charm Fabric Conditioner. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Ang kinis na niya.
In fairness, nag-glow up. May budget.
So solid. White Rose Papaya, wow. White Rose. White Rose Papaya, wow. White Rose. White Rose Papaya. May glow up with White Rose Papaya.
Sulit ang glow up sa White Rose Papaya. May papaya, niacinamide para sa puting power times 2. Plus shea butter and tea tree oil.
Glow up with the power of 2.
White Rose Papaya. Kuti sulit ang glow up. Regular use helps. Results may vary. White Rose Papaya. Manufactured by ACS ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Mapa-on cam sa TV o on air sa radyo, aba, dapat laging lively at full of energy. Hello, beautiful people! Ako ang inyong tita Winnie Cordero, always at your service. Hindi pwedeng lalamya-lamya. Kaya ang partner ko sa trabaho, MX3 Capsule, coffee at tea. MX3 Capsule, dito ako bilib.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3, tunay, natural at original.
I got my first real 6-string.
Bryan Adams, Roll with the Punches Tour 2026. Performing his greatest hits and more live at the Mall of Asia Arena, January 31st. Bryan Adams, live in concert. Book now at smtickets.com. Presented by Wilbur's Live.
Hello, Philippines. It's Bryan Adams. See you all soon.
Magandang kalusugan po! Si Ate Chat Ramirez de Luna po ito. Inaanyayahan po namin kayong makinig sa Buhay at Kalusugan, hatid ng Herbena. Araw-araw, mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes, sa ganap na alas 5 ng hapon hanggang alas 6. At pag Sabado, sa ganap na alas 8:30 ng umaga hanggang alas 9. Dito, sa ating paboritong himpilan, DWWW 774 sa ating talapitan. Mas maganda nang nag-iingat sa kalusugan dahil mahal magkasakit. Magastos po! Ate Chat, Buhay at Kalusugan, hatid ng Herbena. Maraming salamat po!
Ang balita dapat makatotohanan at patas at tungkulin naming maging mapanuri. Ako si Jigo Manicad, broadcast journalist at news anchor. Sa dami ng fake news ngayon, kailangan ng masusing pananaliksik. Ganon din pagdating sa food supplement ko. Dito ako sa
tunay, natural at original.
May seal of quality excellence pa. Sa MX3 Capsule, dito ako bilib.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3 Capsule helps avoid pain discomfort. Iwas-iwas sa sakit.
Maulan man, no worries na amoy kulob ang damit.
Charm Fabcon, bangong kumakabloom. Tanggal amoy kulob sa bango ng Charm.
Charm Fabcon with Bloom Fresh technology kills 99.9% of kulob-causing bacteria tested. May aroma burst pa of thousands of flowers and berries.
Ang sampay sa loob, no amoy kulob.
Bangong kumakabloom sa Charm.
Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Muli nating balikan ang doctor's orders sa DWWW 774. Your clinic on the